Worth it or pass? Worth it kasi mas mura siya. Most of the cars kasi if you buy it brand new and then the moment you drive it off the dealership, automatic, it loses 30% of its value. But pass, kung hindi mo alam paano i-check yung car na yun is sulit siya in terms of its condition. Personally, I would take a pass kasi medyo magulo kasi yung paperwork. Yung pangalan nakalagay doon sa contract to sell is yun pa rin sa original owner. So the moment you assume the property, parang internal agreement na lang yan siya unless may special condition kayo with the developer na ipasa sa'yo yung pangalan. Also, what I noticed ngayon sa market is that the offers ng mga developers are still better compared to what is being offered by the owners na gustong magpa-assume. Kasi nga medyo meron tayong mga oversupply ng mga condo units ngayon. The developers would also find ways to sell the property. Kaya nga may mga 5 years to pay na equity, 6 years to pay na equity. While naman sa assume na property, usually ang gusto na mangyari ng mga sellers is to get the cash up front. Worth it siya because of the price. Most of the time, it's cheaper. But pass also, based on what I see, medyo magulo kasi. Minsan may nakatira doon na kailangan mong paalisin. So parang additional stress yan siya sa'yo. Meron din mga properties na hindi masyado maganda yung kanyang finishes. Structure, plumbing, electrical, gano'n. So you have to do all the repairs. Ano pang gusto nyo tanungin kung worth it ba siya or hindi? Lagay nyo sa comment section.